Welcome back to AI in 5 minutes a day. If you think building AI involves some kind of futuristic magic or self-aware supercomputers, well, sorry to disappoint. AI isn't some sentient mastermind plotting world domination. It's really just a very advanced recipe following a strict set of instructions. AI is basically cooking, but with data. Think of AI like preparing a meal. The recipe is your algorithm, the step-by-step guide telling AI how to learn. Also, just like you need a stove and a blender, AI needs kitchen tools, processing power to crunch numbers. And finally, the ingredients. No meal is complete without food, and no AI model works without huge amounts of data. Not all AI recipes are equal. A simple machine learning model, that's like making scrambled eggs, fast, reliable, and easy to get right. But a complex AI model like AlphaGo, that's a Michelin star meal, requiring high-performance computing, specialized processors, and mountains of data. In today's episode, we're breaking down how AI algorithms act as recipes for learning, why computing power is just as crucial as kitchen tools, what separates basic AI from models that can beat world champions. So, is AI just a high-tech chef following instructions, or is there more cooking behind the scenes? Let's find out. Right now, most AI systems learn in ways that mirror traditional schooling, structured, supervised, and a bit rigid. That's fine for some things, but if we ever want AI to be truly intelligent, we need to push past these outdated methods and rethink how machines learn. If we want AI to truly understand the world, we need to break free from these rigid, test-focused learning methods. AI needs to stop cheating its way through homework. We need AI to start asking questions and figure things out for itself, and then we will be one step closer to creating AI that actually understands what it's doing. And that is when we realize that building AI is very much like cooking, and it needs the right ingredients. Creating AI isn't magic. It's more like following a recipe. Just like you need the right ingredients, the right tools, and a good set of instructions to cook a great meal, machine learning relies on 3 essential components to function properly. First, you need the recipe, the algorithm. Every AI system starts with an algorithm, which is essentially the set of instructions that guides how it learns. For basic tasks, simple recipes like linear regression get the job done. Think of it as a quick and easy meal that doesn't require fancy techniques. But when AI has to deal with something more complex, like recognizing faces, predicting stock prices, or playing chess at a grandmaster level, things get complicated. That's when we turn to artificial neural networks, which can process huge amounts of data and make intelligent decisions. Next, you need the right tools, processing power. Having a great recipe doesn't mean much if you don't have the right tools to cook it. AI needs computing power to actually run its algorithms. A basic AI system, no problem. You can train it on a standard desktop computer. But if you're building something like AlphaGo, which defeated human champions in the game of Go, you'll need high-performance processors capable of handling massive calculations. This is why tech companies spend millions on AI infrastructure, because the more complex the model, the more computing muscle it requires. Finally, you need high-quality ingredients, data. If algorithms are the recipe and processing power is the kitchen equipment, data is the ingredient list. And just like in cooking, garbage in equals garbage out. The more high-quality data an AI model has, the better it performs. A simple AI might only need a small dataset, but an advanced system, like one that recognizes human speech or translates languages, needs an enormous amount of well-labeled data to learn effectively. Take AlphaGo, for example. It didn't just know how to play Go. It had to play thousands of games against itself, continuously improving until it became unbeatable. And that's why data is the considered new black gold. Among these 3 key ingredients, data is king. In fact, some call it the new black gold, because without it, even the most advanced AI is useless. But here's the problem. High-quality data is hard to come by. Companies with large user bases have a huge advantage because they can collect vast amounts of real-world data, reinforcing their dominance in AI. For those who don't have direct access to data, there are a few workarounds. First, public databases, freely available but often limited. Then, buying data from companies that specialize in collecting and reselling it. They can also crowdsource platforms like Amazon Mechanical Turk, where people are paid to label data. Finally, data augmentation, where AI generates additional training data from existing examples to expand its knowledge base. And that's a wrap on this episode of AI in 5 minutes a day. So, what did we learn today? AI isn't some mystical force, it's just a high-tech recipe that needs 3 essential ingredients: algorithms, computing power, and data. And out of those 3, data is the undisputed king. But here's the catch. Not all data is good data. Tech giants are swimming in it, while smaller players have to get creative, scraping public databases, buying datasets, or even paying humans to manually label information. Because let's be honest, without quality data, even the most advanced AI is just an overpriced calculator. Next time, we'll go even deeper. How AI actually learns from data, and why bad data equals bad AI. We'll talk about the ethical minefield of data collection, and we will ask ourselves, can we really trust AI when it's only as good as the information it's trained on? Hit subscribe, stay curious, and I'll see you in the next episode.